Open Google Chrome and type TDB Online Booking in the search bar. Click on the Travancore Devaswom Board link, which will take you to the official website. Under the Temples tab, you'll find details about major temples under the Travancore Devaswom Board, including Sabarimala, as well as each temple's history and special features. In the Sabarimala section, you'll see links for puja and accommodation booking, Annadanam, and online Hundi. Click on the puja booking link to proceed. If you're a first-time user, you'll need to register. On the login page, click Sign Up and fill in the required information, like your first name, email address, mobile number, and ID proof details. Your email address will serve as your username. Select the Subscribe option if you want notifications, agree to the terms and conditions, and then click on Sign Up. An OTP will be sent to your registered email. Use this OTP for your first login. After logging in, change your password to a new one that includes at least one lowercase letter, one uppercase letter, one number, one special character, and is at least 6 characters long. After updating your password, select the Puja booking link from the left menu. Choose the temple where you want to book the puja and click Book New. In the Puja booking form, select the Vajipadu from the drop-down, the booking date, and, if applicable, the star, devotee address, and deity. Then, click Add to Cart to add the puja to your cart. Repeat this process if you'd like to add more pujas. Once you've added your selections, agree to the terms and conditions, and click Place Your Order to proceed to online payment. On the payment screen, you can select UPI options like BHIM or Google Pay. Enter your UPI details, click on Verify, and then Pay Now. A confirmation dialog will appear. Verify your details and click Confirm. Approve the payment request in your UPI app to complete the transaction. After payment, you'll be redirected to a confirmation screen, and a copy of your booking receipt will be sent to your registered email. You can view your completed transactions in the payment history, and if needed, print the puja booking receipt directly from the payment history screen by clicking the Print button. Now you have successfully completed the online puja booking. Thanks for watching.